So guys, Jamie here. Today we have a special video. We have a pack opening. I haven't done a pack opening in so long. The packs are still sealed. I just opened it up with these. So I'm not doing this on myself because I'm fixing it. So in the first pack we have 4 cards guaranteed a superstar. Ooh, okay, original soul pack. 15 cards NHL hockey. Then 2010 current, the current, and regular snap holder. So that's gonna be handy. So let's get on with these. Okay, 2010 to current. So Kevin Falla, Colby Armstrong, and Darren Powell. Pretty nice pack right there. Guaranteed a superstar. At the back is Denis Savard when he played in the AHL. Okay. Oh. There we go. Who's the superstar going to be? Okay. I already see it. Oh! Scott Niedermayer star rookies. So, first insert. Okay, then we got Doug White. Doug Wilson and Dennis. Oh, Denis Savard when he played in the AHL. Okay, now to the second one. No sealed pack. So we got 1,000 point club, 70s to 80s, and 6 official trading cards, and then a snap holder. Yeah, I hate this. This is such a mess. Oh, like that happened. I haven't opened. Oh, damn. Okay. So we got Simeon Gagne, Jeff Holgan. Nice. Ooh. Never seen a card like that before. Okay. So, Ben DeFranco, Robbie Shamramp, Brian Leach, and Jay Bouwmeester. So now 70s and 80s. Such a mess. This is such a mess right now. Okay. Claude Lemieux, Troy McGarry, ooh, rookie card, and Dale Hunter. So last pack, 1,000 point club. Hopefully we get something good out of here. You guys get to see before me. Make sure they're all turned around. I can't see. Okay. Just in case. Okay, so Luc Robitaille. It's a nice card right there. And then we got a Torrey Fringer. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember, like, subscribe. Go subscribe to Comment 121709. I'm out. Peace. Completely forgot to open up the seal pack, so. Okay, so opening up the sealed pack. Rob Rampage. Connor's here. Dale Hunter again for the second time. Marvin Kendler. Oh, we got Edmonton Oilers, Frank Lemieux. We got Quebec Nordiques prospect, Matt Sundin. Insert right there. Then we got St. Louis Montemarno. Now we got New York Rangers, Rick Bennett, El Senon, John Carter, Tony Millett, Tom Ferguson, Alan Pearson, Charlie Huddy, Joy Kruer, and Brad Marsh. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Peace.